Welcome to the introduction of AT&T LTE Only Mode. Let's explore what this setting is and why it matters. What is AT&T LTE Only Mode? It's a setting on your phone that forces it to use only the LTE 4G network, preventing it from connecting to 5G, 3G, or even 2G. This can be useful if you're experiencing issues with 5G, like poor signal strength, excessive battery drain, or data throttling. Introduced as a workaround for early 5G deployment challenges, the mode is still relevant because LTE provides more reliable voice calls and lower latency in some scenarios, despite AT&T's expanding 5G coverage. The main reasons to enable LTE only mode are to improve battery life, stabilize your connection, or bypass 5G connectivity issues. If you notice your phone's battery draining faster than usual when connected to 5G, switching to LTE only can provide a more consistent and reliable experience. LTE can offer more stable connections in areas with weak or unstable 5G coverage. This is especially true in rural areas or indoors where 5G signals may struggle. To enable LTE only mode on Android devices, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap on Network and Internet in the Settings menu. Then tap Mobile Network, followed by Preferred Network Type. Select LTE only from the options. After selecting LTE only, reboot your device for the changes to take full effect. The exact path may vary slightly, depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. For rooted devices, advanced users can use apps like LTE Only Enabler via ADB commands. On iPhones that support LTE Only mode, start by opening the Settings app and tapping Cellular. Next, tap Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data to access the network preferences. From the available options, select LTE to enable LTE Only mode. If the LTE option isn't visible, you may need to update your carrier settings. Go to Settings, then General, and tap About. If a carrier settings update is available, you'll see a prompt. Tap Update to install the new settings, which may enable the LTE option. Keep in mind that this feature may not be available on all iPhone models or with all AT&T plans. If your device doesn't have a direct LTE only toggle, you can try disabling 5G through APN settings. Go to Settings, then Connections, Mobile Networks, and Access Point Names. Select your AT&T APN and edit it. Set the APN protocol to IPv4-IPv6 and disable any 5G-related fields. This method is less straightforward but can be effective in forcing your phone to use LTE. Note that incorrectly modifying APN settings can disrupt your data connection, so proceed with caution. While LTE only mode can be beneficial, there are some potential drawbacks. You'll be limited to LTE speeds, which are generally slower than 5G. Additionally, some features like VoLTE, Voice over LTE, might require a 5G connection. It's also worth noting that cybersecurity experts warn of increased vulnerabilities in LTE-only setups due to outdated encryption, recommending it only for short-term use. If you encounter issues after enabling LTE-only mode, common problems include difficulty making calls or sending texts, poor signal strength, or inconsistent data speeds. First, double-check your access point name settings to ensure they're configured correctly for AT&T's LTE network. Next, make sure Voice over LTE is enabled if your device supports it, as this improves call quality on LTE networks. If issues persist, try restarting your device to refresh the network connections. You can also temporarily switch back to a mixed network mode like LTE 5G Auto to determine if the problem is specific to LTE only mode. For more help, consult AT&T's support website or community forums for detailed troubleshooting guides tailored to your device. As 5G technology matures and expands across the United States, the need for LTE only mode is gradually diminishing. AT&T's network improvements are making 5G more reliable and efficient. 5G adoption has surged to 65% of AT&T subscribers by 2026, up from 50% in 2024. This growth, coupled with better battery optimizations in 5G chips, reduces the necessity for LTE only mode. AT&T plans to phase out LTE infrastructure in urban areas by 2028, fully transitioning to 5G and 6G networks. This timeline reflects their long-term network evolution strategy. While LTE only mode may become obsolete for general smartphone use, it could evolve into a legacy mode specifically for IoT devices in applications like logistics and healthcare, as well as emergency communications. The future favors hybrid network modes that automatically switch between LTE and 5G based on signal strength, battery life and performance needs. This intelligent approach eliminates the need for manual toggles. In summary, as 5G networks mature, LTE only mode will diminish in everyday use, but may persist as a specialized tool for specific applications and emergency scenarios.